There are some information out there that when you're in Botswana, you can monetize your channel.
Why aren't content creators in Botswana getting paid for their efforts by these social media platforms?
Because Botswana is not part of the YouTube partnership program. I think it is true that Botswana, as at now, it's not part of the YouTube partnership program. If you go to ChatGPT, it's going to tell you that Botswana is part of YouTube partnership program. But if you are filling the form, you see, when it's due for monetization and you are filling the form, there is a place which will show you whether your country is part of YouTube partnership program. And the last time I checked, Botswana is not there. So when I was filling my form, I did not see Botswana being part, I didn't see Botswana there. So the reason I used Ghana, so I was happy. So starting when I was in Botswana, I was finding it very difficult to I was having my doubt as to whether my channel will be monetized and all of that, or be accepted into the YouTube partnership program. Botswana is not there yet. I think the government of Botswana will work on that, but you can still do something about that. You can actually get your channel monetized. What you have to do is that, brotherly advice, make sure that when you are creating your channel, make sure that you change the location from Botswana to South Africa. That is how we do it. When the time comes for monetization, make sure that there are forms you fill. The Google AdSense, what you have to do is that make sure that someone is doing, or you do it in a different country. Maybe like South Africa and Botswana is almost the same or close to each other. Use their location if it's South Africa, their residence address and all of that. You can fill a friend who is there, who do all of that for you, so that when the letter comes, the person can take the letter for you. Or to be on the safer side, make sure that the person is in South Africa or close by country who actually take the letter for you. And that's the PIN, because you need some PIN to fill in the information and all of that. The person can give you those information, and you need a PIN also to finalize the process of your bank account and all of that. Make sure that the person is in that country and the person can help you work on that. The only plea I have is that there are a lot of creative in Botswana, so on TikTok, on YouTube and all of that, but they struggle to monetize their channel. I will beg the government of Botswana to do something about it, so that their citizens can explore those areas as well, so that they don't put much pressure on the government in terms of employment, so that the unemployment rates will go down. Because these days people can be in their homes and actually make money, big money. So the government must put in a system that will help benefit the people. I think that is an advice to the government of Botswana. But then you can actually monetize your channel, as I said, is following some steps. I don't know if you are there watching me, maybe you would like to know how you can make that happen. You can let me know in the comment section, so that I can make a video on that. If you say you are interested in that topic, you can let us know in the comment section, so that we actually show you step by step how you can make that happen. If you want to go into YouTube, you should know how to tell stories, okay? So you have that interest. And the first time it's not going to be easy, like watching yourself and the camera can be difficult, but it doesn't mean that it's not possible. You can do it. It just takes a matter of time, and you'll be perfect, and you'll be doing exactly what I'm doing now. So that is very important. There are some of the challenges that you are going to face if you want to create content in Botswana. The first one going to be, as we said, how to monetize it. You need to know how to go about it. Else you see a lot of YouTubers in Botswana, they've started well, but the motivation is not there. Because imagine, maybe you've made a mistake when you are filling the form, and you will be demotivated, and it's not easy even sitting down creating a content. So make sure that you know of these things. When you are filling the form, make sure you contact someone who knows how it is done, or watch other videos out there to do the right. And if you don't have the right information, you end up messing up, and all your struggle will be in vain. So make sure that you ask the right question. So when it comes to monetization, make sure you do that due diligence is done. You contact the right people to help you. And sometimes it's difficult to find people to interview in Botswana. Sometimes people are shy, shy, they don't want to appear before camera. It's something you have to build a culture around it. It's going to take time, but it's possible. With time, they start seeing themselves, giving them the trust that no, this is how it's going to be. It's not live. You are going to edit it. You will see it before it's loaded. Then the people will start trusting you. And once you do a good job, you see that people will be ready to even come for you to interview. But if you're a starter, you're going to struggle a little bit because people will be shy or wouldn't like to come before the camera and all of that. But you have to work around it and encourage them, give them the assurance, then they'll actually come on board and you can interview them. So that is one of the challenges that you're going to face when you start that in Botswana. Another challenge is if you have a drone, sometimes you like to fly it around. Botswana is very strict in the sense of you doing the right thing. So if you have a drone, you can't just start flying a drone around in Botswana. So you know, when you start also, sometimes you don't have the money doing all these things. So they would like you to follow due process. So if you have a drone, you have to be a drone pilot to see the license, and and you have to be issued those permits, you know, before you can fly the drone. A lot. So those are the things, those are some of the challenges that you face. You can't just take your drone and start flying in Botswana. Nah, they are very strict. They are very strict. That is why if you even look at the space, the social space out there, you go to YouTube and all the platform, it's difficult to see a lot of videos on drone footages concerning Botswana. It's just old ones that that's still there, but said, a lot of people also have been contacting me about they would like to know more about Botswana. So we need more creators from Botswana. So explore, okay? And it's possible you can monetize your platform, and you can not just monetizing the platform, but also meeting new people. Your network is your net worth. Okay, so you have the chance of meeting new people, get to know them and what they do. But who knows, that can open doors for you, opportunities for you. So it's just not about money, but just explore that, and you get to learn more, you get to grow, you get to know a lot of people, you get to improve yourself. So that is it. So thank you very much for watching. If you love what we are doing, subscribe to the channel. A lot of you watch the content, but you don't subscribe. And some people like to know the cost of living in Botswana. I did a video on that. I did the first one, it was deleted. I mistakenly deleted it, so you will see the trailer there, but I actually did a video on that. So there is a video, is here, the cost of living in Botswana. So don't say that we've not seen. Is there, so just watch it. Subscribe to the channel, like the channel, comment under, and the more you like, the more the channel will also be recommended to other people with the help of the algorithm. So please do us a favor, okay? See you. Thank you very much once again for watching today's video. Till we meet again, Modimo Ahose Hofatse. Bye.